extra coins. All you just need to do is to tap this place that says top up. Okay, when you tap on it, this is what's going to show you. This is number of reward I've been given and amount of coins I've spent. Here's my P coin, amount of I won. P coin, I think, is also your money. And here's my points, which is my money that I can withdraw. So if I want to withdraw, I'll withdraw directly to my bank account. Any other way you want to use to withdraw your money, you can do that. So when you tap on top up, this is what is going to show you. If you want to buy coins, this is what's going to show you from Google Pay. So if you want to buy 7,000 coins, it's for 99 cents. 21,000 coins for $2.99. 70,000 coins, $9.99, and so on and so on and so forth. So that's all about how to recharge your coins on Poppo. Let me also show you how to gift somebody. If you want to send gifts, just like you do on the Black app, if you want to send gifts to somebody, let me show you how you do that. So let's say these are people that you see in your profile, when you enter, people that you want to gift, people that you know. This is a party, sorry. These are people that are suggesting to you. You understand me? People that are suggesting to you. So already here, I've entered the live stream. It showed my name that Jessie Babe has entered the live stream. So if you want to gift, you see this icon down here. This icon, gift icon here. This is where you tap to send gift. When you tap on it, this is someone that is already hosting a party. You can see that we have all the profile picture of everybody that are seated in the party right now. These are all the profile picture. If you want to gift, now for example, we have gifts, we have Lucky, we have Taste, Fans Club, and gift bag. Lucky here is what we use to gamble. When you gamble means you send coins and you earn coins by sending coins to the person. It's not just any random person you send coins to. Anybody you wish to send coins to. You can send coins to people that you know or people you just wish to send coins to. You understand? And that gift you're sending to them is your money. You get. So if you want to gamble, you see rows here. You tap on this send. You tap on send if you want to give. So look at now. If you see that the host here that I just entered, Dolapo, his picture here is highlighted. So if you want to gift everybody, you tap on all. You tap on all here by the right hand side. That means you want to gift everybody. You understand? Then you tap send as much as you want to gift. Times 10 times 100 as much as you want to gift. You'll be earning if you are gambling. This is called gambling when you use under Lucky. But if you want to give a specific person, look at now, only the host ID is highlighted here. If you just want to give the host, it's only him you're going to give because it's only him that is highlighted. If you want to give others, you tap on their profile picture, remove the host, make sure they are highlighted. Those you want to give, their names, their pictures will be highlighted. That is how you gift somebody. Then you tap on send. But if you want to do exchange, and that exchange levels your it levels you up faster. Your wealth level increases faster. You can see here I'm in wealth level number 5 and I'm approaching level number 6 right here. If you see it in the right hand side here, up here. So if you want to do an exchange, here are a series of gifts you can give to somebody. All you just need to say is that, okay, I want to do an exchange for somebody you know. I want to do an exchange. How much coins do you want to do an exchange? Okay, I want to do 50,000 exchange. You can see surprise box here, 50,000. Microphone is 100,000. So any worth of coins you want to do exchange with, you can do it. So that's it. You tap on the person's profile picture. Perhaps if it's the host you want to gift, you tap on his profile picture. He will send you the gift. You too will send him back. So you will not lose that way. So that is how to do exchange. It levels you up faster. And your live stream level also increases. So that's how to do exchange. People do exchange instead of wasting their money in sending gifts by gambling on Lucky. They do exchange to retain their money back. 70% will be going to you, 30% will be going to the app whenever you do exchange. So that is all about how to gift somebody on the app. Any gift, you can send any gift for gambling. This is any gift you want to use to gamble. Look at the worth of coins below. That is how you gamble, only under Lucky. You understand? So that's all about how to gift on Poppo.